So I did something overnight and I felt like I should share with you guys. All the collagen, all the glowing skin, all the antioxidants, all the vitamins you are looking for are in your kitchen, but you don't know how to use it. So I'm going to teach you how to do it, okay? I'm going to teach you some of it. I already started, but let's continue, right? So you don't get to miss out anything. So first of all, this is okra water. I know you've been hearing a lot about okra water, and some of you're doubting if this is really real or it's definitely just a trend. So I want to tell you that yes, it's real. Let me show you. Mm, 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 mm. So this is real. This is real and not definitely a joke. Okra water is definitely full and packed with vitamins, antioxidants, collagen, and also a lot and lot of nutrients which are definitely gonna balance up your skin. All right, hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thank you so much for joining. Yes, today we're talking about okra water because it is really a simple and easy skincare hack that you can actually come up with it. I know you've been using okra for your soup, but you definitely didn't know and understand that you could literally use this for your skin. Yes, a lot of people think that everything that you eat you can't use on your skin. Hey, please, hello. You can definitely use everything that you eat on your face and on your skin. Try it and come back and thank me later, okay? So today we're talking about okra water, and I'm talking about okra water because I'm someone who loves to glow. I'm someone who's always out there to help each and every woman find herself and know that she's beautiful the way she is. All you need to do is just to put in that little efforts and be consistent in your skincare game and you have the best results. I'm coming here to tell you that okra water is really packed with lots of antioxidants. It has collagen. It is going to balance your menstrual cycle. I'm coming to you to tell you that okra water has been existing for ages. It's just that you didn't know. And definitely, if you want your skin to glow, if you want that glassy skin, if you want your skin to be firm, especially for those of you who have hormonal acne as well, this is really literally gonna help. If you're on birth control pills and you feel like it's affecting your skin, please drink okra water, okay? Make it a habit to always drink okra water, and trust me, you will thank me later because without okra water your skin will just be so. Yes, you might have been taking supplements. Yes, people do take supplements, but all the supplements are made up of plants and also animal products. So what if you take the plants first? All right, so I'll tell you how. So you might feel like you're on the budget. If you're on the budget and you still want to glow, it's possible. You can definitely glow with okra water. What you do is that just like basically just soak your okra, just take 4 to 5 pieces of okra and slice it overnight, and then you soak it just like this has been here overnight, right? So you just soak your okra water, you just soak it into water. You can use coconut water. If you do not have coconut water, because you'll say, oh, where can I get coconut water? If you do not have coconut water, use normal water and soak it overnight and wake up in the morning. You see, I mean, you see how it is, right? See, it's literally the way you see that. And trust me, you might want to ask, is it yummy? Does it taste good? Yes, it tastes super good. I'm super excited. It really tastes good. So, okra water is very good for hormonal imbalance, like I said. It is going to regulate your circle as well. And if you're someone struggling with PCOS, hey, You have to be drinking these natural products. You have to take okra water as your friend as well, okay? But then, hey, too much of a thing is a disease. So you need to actually schedule a timetable or have a schedule on how you're going to take this, all right? But then this is really good when it comes to skin elasticity, when it comes to you having your collagen, when it comes to you having a glowing skin. If you're suffering from acne, okra water is your friend, all right? It should be your friend, all right? Stop chasing shadows, even if you're actually taking or using products on your face. Try as much as possible to drink something, try as much as possible to use internal methods of actually dealing with your skin. If you're someone who breaks out a lot, then you should definitely use okra water in your game, all right? So if you're also someone who always breaks out whenever you want to see your periods, I'm one of those people, right? So when I want to see my periods, sometimes I break out. So what do? You definitely have to drink okra water to make sure that those hormones stay in place. Don't disturb my peace and my space. All right, guys. So this is all I have for you today. If you feel like you want to try this out, which you should, then please do try. Try this out and thank me later, okay? I can't stop drinking it because it's super, super tasteful. All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.